Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. We've got a few gangangs this morning. One little baby female there at the back. I've counted 11 gangangs on the table and up in the trees around me. So yeah, pretty quiet morning, it's okay. We've had some local rain in our area, so a lot of the gangangs will be off foraging in the local suburbs. And also the breeding season, so a lot of gangangs will be off sitting on eggs right now. That pigeon is annoying. So I've got other pigeons around, so this is what happens. Once one pigeon lands, then there's two, and then you end up with 20 or 30 pigeons on the table and no gangangs. So I might stop filming and I'll push these pigeons away. Okay, I'll catch you one later. Bye bye.